Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wheel in Little Alchemy. First, let's gather our basic elements. Combine earth and water to create mud, a foundational component. Next, take fire and earth, mixing them together to form lava. These initial steps are crucial for building more complex items later on. Remember, every great creation starts with simple combinations. Now that you have mud and lava, let's move on to the next set of essential combinations. Take your lava and combine it with air to create stone. This solid element is key for many recipes. Then, combine stone with fire to forge metal. Finally, mix wood and fire to produce ash. These items are vital for crafting the wheel. You're almost there. With metal and wood in hand, combine them to create a tool. This versatile item is essential for construction. Now for the final step, combine your newly crafted tool with another piece of wood. Voila! You have successfully created a wheel. Congratulations on adding this important item to your Little Alchemy collection. With your new wheel, the possibilities in Little Alchemy expand significantly. Try combining it with other elements you've discovered to unlock even more items and complex creations. Don't be afraid to experiment. That's how you uncover the most exciting recipes. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep exploring and have fun with your alchemy journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.